This is the GBH 540 DCE Professional Rotary Hammer. It's the fastest rotary hammer in its class. Thanks to its 1150 watt motor, the GBH 540 DCE Professional drills up to 30% faster than other hammers in its class. Its powerful hammer mechanism is truly impressive. When you switch from drilling to chiseling mode, turbo power converts the power that's normally used to drive the rotation of the drill bit into additional impact energy for chiseling. The SDS Max Comfort enables you to change the accessory in seconds and with only one hand. And the Bosch vibration control makes work more comfortable for you, especially when working for long periods of time. Experience for yourself the fastest all-rounder with vibration control. The GBH 540 DCE Professional.